guys. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I had these 3 projects that I've been working on, and they're 3D printed cases designed in using OnShape 3D CAD program. And so anyway, I'll just show you what I've got here. So this first one is just a continuity tester. And so it just lights up an LED and has 2 alligator clips that you can use to check continuity. This next one is a set of dice, red and green dice using LEDs, and you just press the roll button and then it cycles through and stops on a number. And I used at ATmega 328 chip, IC chip, and programmed it to pull up random numbers to display on the LEDs. And this last one is just some parts I had scrounged up from things that were getting thrown away, and then I designed the case for it and 3D printed it. And so it has a few different modes. This one just cycles through all the segments. This one turns on the decimal points. This one cycles the segments together. And this counts up from 0 up to 99. And then I can slow this down to run slower too. So there's 2 speeds that it can run at. So I just have 4 dip switches that I can select different modes and programs. So yeah, these are kind of fun projects. Oh, yeah, I also in these cases that I designed the little sliding cover so that you can change out the battery without removing screws or anything. So anyway, those are the new projects that I've been working on, and OnShape is a pretty nice CAD program and 3D CAD program. It's pretty easy to use and does a really nice job of outputting the files for the 3D printer. So there you go. Please hit that like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.